Dear students, now we are on the topic of quadratic expressions. That too, today class is level 4. In previous class, we have completed until level 3 sums. Now let us going to discuss about level 4. First one, among first question, two statements are there. First statement, if alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and k is a real number, k not equal to 0 comma 1, then the equation whose roots are k alpha comma k beta is, we know that f of x by k is equal to 0 is a transformed equation. Is a transformed equation of roots of k alpha comma k beta. So f of x is equal to be given as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Substitute f of x by k, that implies a into x by k whole square. So you can write ax square by k square plus bx by k plus c equal to 0. Take an LCM, it becomes k square. So ck square plus bkx plus ax square equal to 0. Ax square plus kbx plus k square equal to 0 he given in the similar way like that only. Therefore we can write here 1 is true. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2, 8 comma 2 are roots of x square plus ax plus beta. 8 comma 2 are roots of x square plus ax plus beta equal to 0. So sum of roots you can take minus b by a. So a is equal to minus 10 because a plus 2 is equal to minus a, and beta is equal to 16. Product of roots 8 comma 2, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. And another roots is given as 3 comma 3 are roots of 3 comma 3 are roots of x square plus ax plus b, x square plus alpha x plus b, x square plus alpha x plus b is equal to 0. In this sum of roots, alpha is equal to minus 6 and b is equal to 9. Then we should calculate the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. Now quadratic equation x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. So x square plus a means minus 10x plus b means 9 equal to 0. Split in the middle term by factorization, we get x minus 1 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 9. So it is also true. Roots of this equation is 9 comma 1. So 2 is also true. Therefore both 1 comma 2 are true. Both 1 comma 2 are true. Here option 3. That is first equation. In second one, assertion reason type from second onwards until 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 sums are assertion reason type. First option both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Second one both A and R are true and R is not correct explanation of A. Third one A is true, R is false. Fourth one A is false, R is true. For each and every model, they will give in the model only the answer will be given like this. Second one, if assertion A x square minus 7x plus 10 is less than 0. Originally this can be written as x minus 2 into x minus 5 less than 0. Whenever x minus alpha and x minus beta less than 0, then x belongs to alpha comma beta is the formula. Here coef of x square I am writing. Coef of x square is equal to 1 and expression coef of x square equal to 1 and expression is negative because expression coef of x square is equal to 1, this is positive. So coef of x square comma expression have opposite sign. It is a theorem. Coef of x square comma expression have opposite sign. The coef of x square comma expression have opposite sign. Whenever it is opposite sign, alpha less than x less than beta, already we proved the theorem in IITJEE. So that implies here 2 less than x less than 5. Exactly, this is right. Depends upon this one only we got the assertion. So, and the reason, you read the reason, a and ax plus bx plus c have opposite sign and delta greater than 0, of course, for this it is also rule is real. Whenever delta less than 0, coef of x squared expression have same sign for all x belongs to. So delta should be greater than 0, it is also right. X lies between, correct. X belongs to be lies between, correct. So a and r are both are true and r is correct explanation of a. You can write option 1 I am writing, you can understand that a is true and r is true and r is the correct explanation of a. Reason is correct explanation of a. Now third question. Assertion f of x is a quadratic expression. Correct the question depends upon what material. I am discussing with you that f of x is a quadratic expression such that f of x is a QE. F of x is a QE such that f of 1 plus f of 2 is equal to 0. F of 1 plus f of 2 is equal to 0 if minus 1 is a root. If minus 1 is a root of f of x is equal to 0, then other root. Minus 1 is a root of f of x equal to 0, other root is equal to 8 by 5. Other root is equal to 8 by 5 given. So this is the assertion, print mistake is there, correct it in our material. So let us write the quadratic expression f of x is equal. Let us write f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. F of 1 plus f of 2. F of 1 plus f of 2 means f of 1 means here a plus b plus c. F of 2 means 4a plus 2b plus c equal to 0. We can write here 5a plus 3b plus 2c is equal to 0. 5a plus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. It's 1. Since minus 1 is a root, that implies substitute here in f of x you substitute. It becomes a minus b plus c is equal to 0. This is 2. Let us write this is an equation number 2. Depends upon first equation and second equation, we get the value of c. Of course, two roots you can calculate using the roots product of roots concept. Now, 2 into, let us write here 5a plus 3b plus 2c is equal to 0, and here I am writing 3 into second equation. 3 into second equation, 3a minus 3b plus 3c equal to 0. Add two equations. You can get here 8a plus 5c equal to 0. So 8a is equal to minus 5c. C by a you can understand as minus 8 by 5, correct. C by a as minus 8 by 5. Minus 1 is a root, that is already known. Therefore, C by a means product of roots. Product of roots is equal to minus 8 by 5 we got. Whenever product of roots minus 8, if we got other root, we can say undoubtedly it is 8 by 5. Other root is 8 by 5, it is correct. Statement 1 is correct. Now let us read the reason. Let us read the reason. The reason f of x equal to ax square plus b plus c, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta equal to c by a. It's okay. But we did not use here alpha plus beta. Whenever we are using the reason 100%, then only it is true. Alpha beta equal to c by a, it is correct only. Alpha plus beta here, there is not necessary. That is why reason is okay, but assertion is okay, but reason is not a correct explanation. I think it is second option. Third question, second option, correct. So reason is true, right here. A is true. R is true. But R is not a correct explanation. If he did not write alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, then it will become correct explanation. R is not a correct explanation. So option 2 is correct answer. Now we can write fourth question. You can understand. Assertion both roots of the equation 4x square minus 2x plus a is equal to 0. A belongs to R. A is a real number. Lie in the interval minus 1 comma 1. So two roots lie in the interval minus 1 comma 1 given. Both roots. Assertion. Fourth question, assertion. Let us draw a graphical concept. Let here alpha and beta here. Distinct roots are there. Both roots of equation lie in the interval. So k1 lie in the interval. Like this is k1 and this is k2. So k1 k2 concept. Let us remember the location of roots concept. Depends upon the location of roots. We have plenty of sums here. Location of roots concept, you can understand k1 less than, alpha less than, beta less than k2. Both roots lie in the interval minus 1 comma 1. So remember the formula and concept k1 minus alpha less than 0 because k1 less than alpha, and k1 minus beta less than 0. So k1 minus alpha into k1 minus beta less than 0. The concept is f of k1 less than 0. F of k1 less than 0. And k1 minus alpha and k1 minus beta. K1 less than alpha, K1, of course, it is not less than 0 because minus into minus becomes plus. F of K1 greater than 0. In the similar way, you can understand here alpha minus K2 less than 0. Alpha minus K2 less than 0, so K2 minus alpha greater than 0. Beta greater than K2, so K2. Beta minus K2 less than 0 here. Beta minus K2 less than 0, so K2 minus beta greater than 0. You can understand K2 minus alpha into K2 minus beta. Greater than 0 into greater than 0 becomes greater than 0. So A into f of K2. There we have written A into f of K1 and A into f of K2 greater than 0. This is the concept. So write f of x here. F of x quadratic equation. I think you are having the formula in page number 58. Already I said our concept in day 11 part 2. Page number 58. Location of roots are there. Then you can understand. Page number 58 formula. F of x here 4x square minus 2x plus a is equal to 0. A belongs to license. Then you can understand f of minus 1 greater than 0 comma f of 1 greater than 0. Substitute here 4 plus 6 plus a into f of both. If we multiply both f of 1 into f of 2 greater than 0, like this also we can write plus into plus concept. 4 plus 2 plus a into this is 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus a greater than 0, so 10 plus a 10 plus a into 2 plus a greater than 0. A plus 10 into a plus 2. A plus 10 into a plus 2 greater than 0. A less than minus 10 comma a greater than minus 2. How many options are there? A greater than minus 2. This is not given. No problem. Like this, this option is there. Minus 2 less than a. Yeah, it is okay. Now, also for distinct roots, you can use the concept delta greater than equal to 0. So, whenever delta greater than equal to 0 depends upon this concept b square minus 4ac, 4 minus 16a square greater than or equal to 0. Divide with 4. B is not a square. A greater than or equal to 0. So 4a less than or equal to 1, a less than or equal to 1 by 4. That implies minus 2 less than a less than or equal to 1 by 4 is the correct explanation. Exactly right. Assertion is right. Reason f of x equal to 4x square minus 2x plus a, then delta greater than equal to 0. It's okay. F of minus 1 greater than 0 and f of 2 greater than 0. Yes, correct. Exactly. Whatever the reason we have used, simply given the reason for this one. So here it is, option 1. Everything is right. Everything is right. Assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Now, assertion reason model completed. Now let us discuss about the fifth question. Let alpha beta be the roots of quadratic equation ax plus bx plus c equal to 0. Match the following. Let us write f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let us discuss about the roots are in the ratio. Let us discuss the formula. Roots are in the ratio m is to n. Then condition is mn b square is equal to m plus n whole square into ac. Now, first one, alpha is equal to beta. Whenever alpha is equal to beta, two roots are equal. B square is equal to 4ac. How many options are there? For a, it is 5. For a, it is 5. That is, b square is equal to 4ac. That is, everyone know that. So, total all options are there. Alpha is equal to 2 beta. Next one, alpha is equal to 2 beta. So, ratio is 1:2. We know that 2b square is equal to 9ac concept. So, 2b square is equal to 9ac. You put m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2, it becomes 2b square is equal to 1 plus 2 whole square, 9ac already we have done in synopsis itself. Now alpha is equal to 3 beta. Whenever alpha is equal to 3 beta, so 2b square is equal to 9ac becomes b2. Then 3 options are there. Now alpha is equal to 3 beta. In the concept of 3b square, 3b square is equal to 16ac. So for B2, for A5, 16 AC. So 4. For C it is 4. 5 to 4. For C it is 4. Again 2 options are there. Next for D, alpha is equal to beta square. So 1 root is the square of the other. I said in synopsis, students, already we proved that A power n into C whole power 1 by n plus A C power whole power 1 by n plus A b equal to 0. In the similar way, you can write ac square power 1 by 3 power 1 by n plus 1 to we prove. Of course, we may prove this one also. A square c power 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 0. So, for d it is 1. Everything we have done, it is fourth option. Match the following. Fifth question, fourth option. Match the following. In advance they may given, but there is no chance to give match the following questions in mains. Match the following questions, there is a chance to give in MSET. Sixth one. It is also match the following. So ABC have same sign. Students, first A is discussing with us. A, B, C have same sign. A, B, C have same sign. I am giving an example to you that x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6. A, everything is positive. For this quadratic equation, roots minus 2 comma minus 3. So both the roots are negative. Whenever a comma b comma c are positive, then you can say both roots are negative. For a, 3, two options are there. For a, it is 3, two options are there. For b, if a is equal to c, then roots are reciprocal to each other. These are synopsis. For a is equal to c, roots are reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal to each other. Then he given alpha beta is equal to, that is alpha comma 1 by alpha. That implies alpha beta is equal to 1. It is the concept. So for b it is 1. Two options. For b it is 1. For a it is 3. For b it is 1. Two options are there. Already next one, I said that the concept if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, 1 comma c by a are roots. It is the formula. 1 comma c by a are roots. Given, then one root is 1. Yeah, it means 5. b 1 5. So c for it is 5. Again, two options are there. If next one, if a plus b, a plus c is equal to b, then I said minus 1 comma minus c by a are roots. Minus 1 comma minus c by a. So for d it is second. For d it is second. So option 4. Everything you have done, every root you have verified. It is option 4. Now let us discuss the seventh question in matching concept. Root of x square minus 5x plus 6. Root of x square minus 5x plus 6 less than minus 3. Students, in IB exercise 3C. In IB exercise 3C, which have eliminated, which have deleted chapter due to COVID-19. Now there is no chapter exercise 3C in IB, but for objective I am discussing with you that in exercise 3C, Roman number 1 first question is there. There is no answer for the question because every square root is greater than, every square root greater than equal to 0 never be negative. It is never be negative. That implies there is no question of less than number of minus 3 whenever root exists. So it has no solution. Same question we have done there in exercise 3C concept. Already I taught you. Exercise 3C. So 5 is there. So for 7th one it is, for 7th question for A it is 5. 5 means 4 here. For A it is 4. Two options are there. Next one. For B may be wrong. For D let us discuss. For D, x minus 1 by x minus 2. X minus 1 by x minus 2 less than 0. Whenever A by B less than 0, then we know that A B less than 0. That implies x minus 1 into x minus 2 less than 0. So x belongs to 1 comma 2. Open interval, x belongs to 1 comma 2 open interval. No, it is plus 1. It is plus. So plus 1. Minus 1 comma 2 open. Option 2. For D it is 2. Two options are there once again. For D it is 2. First term, second 4, 2. So let us see. Let us discuss C. X square minus 3x plus 2 greater than 0, comma x square minus 3x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. I think we know that x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. So x less than 1 comma x greater than 0. Here x minus 1 into x minus 4 minus 4x plus x. It is not possible. X square minus 4x plus x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So x taken common, x minus 4 plus 1. So x plus 1 into x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So x belongs to minus 1 comma 4. X belongs to closely minus 1 comma closely 4. Let us discuss the common domain. Here it is minus infinity comma 1 union 2 comma infinity. Here minus 1 comma 4. Maybe it is. Let us discuss about the x square minus 3x plus 4. My x minus 1 and x minus 2 is absolutely right. Whenever greater than 0, it is right. X less than 1 and x greater than 2. For C, let us discuss here minus 1. Here 1 critical points. Let us write 2 and 4. So minus infinity comma put like this. This is like this. 2 open 4 like this. That means minus 1 close 1 union 2 open 4 close. Yes, we got the 5. For D, it is for C. D we have discussed now. For C we got 5. For C we got 5. So option 1. Students, for B, maybe mistake is there. Even though we got the answer, no problem. If mistake is there, you correct it. I think no need to correct, simply leave it. Now, 7 questions completed. Let us going to discuss about 8th question onwards. It is different model. X square minus of m minus 3 into x. X square minus of m minus 3 into x. 8th one. X square minus of m minus 3 into x plus m is equal to 0. X square minus of m minus 3 into x plus m equal to 0 be a quadratic equation and match the following. Both roots greater than first one. A he given. No, it is 1. For 1, both roots greater than 2. Both roots greater than 2. So condition alpha greater than beta greater than 2. That implies the concept k less than alpha less than beta. K less than alpha less than beta. This is alpha and this is beta. This is k. K minus alpha less than 0 and k minus beta less than 0. The concept we have used here, k minus alpha into k minus beta greater than 0. And whenever two roots are existing, then delta greater than equal to 0. And here we put minus b by 2a comma minus delta by a. B square minus 4ac by 4a minus delta by 4a. So k less than minus b by 2a also we used in the theory. Depends upon now k minus alpha and k minus beta. Now we can write f of 2 greater than 0. Substitute here 4 minus 2m plus 6 plus m greater than 0. So 10 minus m greater than 0. So m minus 10 less than 0. So m less than 10 keep aside. And k less than minus 3 by 2a. K means here 2. 2 less than m minus 3 by 2. 2 less than m minus 3 by 2. So 4 less than m minus 3. So 7 less than m. you can say m greater than 7. Also, another concept, everything is depends upon location of roots concept. Also use the formula delta greater than or equal to 0. Whenever delta greater than or equal to 0, using the formula v square minus 4ac concept, m minus 3 whole square minus 4m greater than or equal to 0. So m square minus 6m plus 9 minus 4m greater than or equal to 0. M square minus 5m minus 10m plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. You can write m minus 1 into m minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. So it is m less than 1 comma m greater than 9 concept. Here m less than 10 and here m greater than 7. The 10 place you can write here, of course it is equal to m belongs to closed 9 comma open 10. That much is there. M greater than, for 1 it is C. Three options are there. For 1 it is C we got. Next, for second one, both roots are smaller than 2. Both roots are smaller than 2. Depends upon location of root. Both roots are smaller than 2. So, both roots are smaller than 2. Put like this is k. Put here alpha, this is beta. This is minus b by 2a comma minus delta by 4a. So k greater than minus b by 2a we used it, and in the similar way we can write alpha minus k less than 0 and beta minus k less than 0. So you can understand here k minus alpha greater than 0 and k minus beta greater than 0. So k minus alpha into k minus beta. K minus alpha into k minus beta greater than 0. Therefore f of k greater than 0. That means f of 2 greater than 0. Already we used it. F of 2 greater than 0. M less than 10 we got. Alpha minus k less than 0, beta minus k less than 0, k minus alpha greater than 0, k minus beta greater than 0. Yes, m less than 10 we got. For this one, both roots are less than 1 comma less than 2. If we use for delta greater than 0, it becomes 9 comma 10. So, no need for this. There is no use. Exactly one root, same concept. Both roots. Next, delta greater than 0, k less than minus b by 2a. Let us discuss. K less than minus b by 2a. So k greater than minus b by 2a. So whenever k greater than minus b by 2a, here you can write m less than 7. There is no option. Maybe this is wrong concept. Let us discuss about third one and we can decide now. Third one, no use by using second one. Using location of roots. Let us discuss third one. Exactly one root lies in 1 comma 2. Exactly one root. Exactly one root lies in 1 comma 2. So the concept exactly one root means only alpha or beta lies between k1 and k2 concept. K1 and k2 concept. Put here this is a k2. Put here this is a k1. This is alpha. No, this is beta. So exactly one root lies between k1 and k2. So there is no question of minus b by 2a, we cannot decide. Now you can understand k1 less than alpha, k1 minus alpha less than 0 and k1 less than beta, k1 minus beta less than 0. You can write k1 minus alpha into k1 minus beta greater than 0. So we can say that f of k1 greater than 0. It's okay. Now 1 comma depends upon k2 concept. Here you can write alpha less than k2. Alpha less than k2, so alpha minus k2 less than 0. So K2 minus alpha greater than 0 and K2 minus beta less than 0. Because K2 less than beta, since exactly one rule lie between K1 and K2, now K2 minus alpha into K2 minus beta less than 0 plus into minus concept. So f of K2 less than 0. That implies. Now taking f of x, the f of x means that one only the given equation is f of x. F of x, let us write f of 1. If we multiply both, then f of 1 into f of 2. Now if you multiply both, plus into minus becomes minus. So f of k1 into f of k2 less than 0. If we write, substitute there, f of 1 into f of 2. Now that implies we can write f of 1 into f of 2 less than 0. F of 1 into f of 2 less than 0. Let us substitute there 1 minus m plus 3. If you substitute 1 there, 1 minus m plus 3 plus m. No use. Into 1 minus m plus 3 plus m into f of 2 I am substituting. So 4 minus 2m plus 6 plus m. 1 minus, this is less than 0. 4 minus 2m plus 6 plus m less than 0. So this is simply m and m will be getting cancelled. 1 plus 3, 4 less than 0 divided with 4, it becomes 0. Now you can write 10 minus m. 10 minus m less than 0, so m greater than n. M belongs to 10 comma infinity. Yeah, first A. So for 3 A is there, for 1 C, first of M belongs to 10 comma infinity. Open it. 10 comma infinity, open it. That implies for C it is 1 beta. So for A, for 1 C, for 3 A, not C, for 3 A. So option 1 is verified, depends upon the location of this concept. Now we have started into depth concept. Depends upon assertion reason. First option is both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Second option is both A and R are true, R is not correct explanation of A. Third option, A is true, R is false. Fourth option, A is false, R is true, like that. He given not A, B, A are like that, 1 and 2 like that. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true. First 1 and 2 is correct explanation of statement 1, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1, 1 is true, 2 is false, 1 is false, 2 is true. Okay. In this way, we get the answer. Now, 9th question. Let us see one material. Ninth question, if all real values of x obtained from the equation, if all real values of x obtained from the equation 4 power x minus of a minus 3 into 2 power x plus a minus 4 is equal to 0, for a minus 4 is equal to 0, are non-positive. That implies A belongs to open 4, closed 5. Are non-positive. For a QE, if roots are non-positive, then delta less than or equal to 0. That implies here a minus 3 whole square. So now this can be written as, this equation can be written as 2 power x whole square minus 2 power x into a minus 3 plus a minus 4 is equal to 0. So let 2 power x is equal to y or d or b. Keep aside y square minus y into a minus 3 plus a minus 4 equal to 0. Using delta less than 0, b square minus 4ac concept, a minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into a minus 4 less than 0. That implies a square minus 6a plus 9 minus 4a plus 16 less than 0 less than or equal to 0. So a square minus 10a plus 25 less than or equal to 0. So a minus 5 whole square, a minus 5 whole square less than or equal to 0. Every square is greater than 0, not at all possible less than 0. Of course, for 0 chance is there. Therefore, I say, therefore a minus 5 must be equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 5. So close interval 5. That 5 is okay. Now, for next month, we should try to understand that what he given statement, if for all real values of x apparent from the equation are non-positive. So if we think non-positive means depends upon 2 power x, roots of QE are non-positive. You can understand that every number, 2 power any number will not be negative, because 2 power, even though 2 power minus infinity, 1 by 2 power infinity becomes 0. So minimum chance is 0. 2 power minus 2 you can put 1 by 2 power 4, 0. 1 by 2 power minus 4 means 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 16, 0 point something. So maximum value is 1 and minimum value is 0. Here it is the hidden powers. So that implies you can write 0 less than or equal to 2 power x less than, there is no chance. Okay. 0 less than or equal to 2 power x less than 1. So if we can write product of roots, this is a quadratic equation of 2 power x. This is a quadratic equation of 2 power x. For x I am writing, there is a chance to x power minus infinity. I am writing here, try to understand, minus infinity comma 0 depends upon non-positive. Whenever you put here 2 power minus infinity, 1 by 2 power infinity, 1 by infinity 0, chance is there, and 0, 2 power 0, 1 is there, it is the last chance. So x, for x it is minus infinity comma, it is right. Whenever it is right, 2 power x is a, whenever 2 power x is a value, but there is a chance to get 0 and 1. 0 you should not consider. Whenever it is 0, product of roots becomes 0. Product of roots becomes 0. Here 2 power x should not be equal to 0. That is why simply put here 0 less than 2 power x less than equal to 1. So there is a chance to do product of roots is a minus 4. So 2 power x is equal to maximum chance is 1. So product of roots, maximum chance can be, maximum chance of 2 power x is equal to 1. That implies product of roots is equal to, you can write simply 2 power x into 1. Maybe 2 power x is any value. 2 power x into 1 is equal to a minus 4. So if a minus 4 product of roots, if there is a chance a minus 4, 0 less than, you can write like this, 0 less than like this, a minus 4 less than 1. Now 0 less than a minus 4, so a less than 5 we got, and a minus 4 greater than 0 you write. A minus 4 greater than 0 you write. Already a minus 4 less than 1 we got here, a less than 5. So a greater than 4 here. Therefore the range you can write. The range of a is equal to open 4 comma 5. Here one thing you can understand that, sir, why did you write here 2 power x is 2 power? It is in the quadratic equation. Whenever we are taking a quadratic equation, example I am going to discuss with you. X square minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. So what will be getting? X only. So this is a 2 power x model. So 2 power x will be getting 2 power x may be any number between and 0 1. Maximum chances is there for that is a 1. So 2 power x is whatever the value between 0 and 1. Simply I am taking maybe 0.5 or 0.8 or anything. That 1 I am not discussing about the value. Simply 2 power x into maximum product 1 I have written. Why you are writing like this, or you may ask the question, to get the value of a, maximum chance I am taking to get the product of roots. So a minus 4 lies between, according to this one, 0 less than, a minus 4 less than, or equal to 1 is the chance here. That is why you have put a closed open 4 comma 25. Now it is okay. The reason. Let us see the board material, it is not clear. Statement 2. Statement 2. If ax square plus bx plus c is non-positive for all real values of x, then b square minus 4ac must be negative, okay, or 0, and a must be negative. Here a must be negative given. If a is negative, there is no use. Of course, for this there is no use. It is not correct explanation. If here, once again I am writing 9th question, it is B, means statement 1 is 2, statement 2 is 2, and statement 2 is not the correct explanation of A. I am thinking, let us see the material answer. 9th B. B means correct, whatever I am thought it is correct only. But here he is discussing that statement 1 is correct. If all real values of A, even first is okay, absolutely. First one is absolutely okay, and I am going to discuss about second one. If the if ax square plus bx plus c is a non-positive for all real values of x, b square minus 4ac must be negative, okay, and a must be negative. So then only b square minus 4ac less than or equal to 0. We thought a must be negative, maybe, but this is not correct explanation because we did not use here a must be negative. 2 power x is always point. So a is 2, it's okay. A is true, R is true, but R is not correct. I mean here 1 is true, 1 is true, 2 is true. Statement 1 is true, 2 is true, but not correct explanation. But statement 2 is not correct explanation. In statement 2, ax square plus bx plus c is non-positive for all real x, b square plus 4ac must be 0, and a must be negative. Maybe minus x square, maybe we can take any example. A must be negative, maybe negative, there is no rule. If it's also no problem to get the answer, that is why we can say 2 is okay, but it is not at all proper reason. Now let us discuss about 10th question. Let us discuss about 10th question. Statement 1, sin power x plus cos power x, sin power x of alpha plus cos power x of alpha greater than or equal to 1 if 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2. 10th one, sin power x of alpha plus cos power x of alpha greater than or equal to 1, 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2, then x belongs to minus infinity comma 2. Put, I am discussing between x is equal to 2, minus infinity comma 2. So 1 you take, x is equal to 1 and alpha is equal to 45 So it becomes sin 45 plus cos 45. Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. You can write 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is equal to 2 by root 2 becomes root 2, that is equal to 1.414. It is greater than 1. Okay. It is true. 10th question. Statement 1 is true. But discuss about statement 1 is true. Discuss about second one. 1 is true. It is greater than 1. I am going to discuss with you that 1 is true. Statement 2, you can write sin square x by root 2 plus cos square x by root 2 less than 1 by root 2. Students, you can understand sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Not less. 1 is not at all less than 1 by root 2 means 0.707. It is false. So 2 is false. So 1 is true, 2 is false. So option 3 here, 10th question, option C. According to new material also 10th question, option C, that means statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Okay students, we have completed 10 questions here. In next class we can continue later.